Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to download TikTok application on your laptop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download the TikTok application on your laptop, you'll need to first download an Android emulator. Go to your web browser and open it up. In the search box at the top, search for an Android emulator. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator, so let me go ahead and show you how I downloaded that. Type in BlueStacks 5 download in the search box and make your search. Once you do that, pick the first link that you see that says fastest and lightest Android app player for PC, BlueStacks 5. Once you click on that link, on the next page you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go ahead and click the download BlueStacks button in the top right hand corner and your download has begun at the top right. Once it is done, tap on the open file button and install the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator. Once you are done with the installation, click open the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator and launch it on. Once you are done, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the Play Store button and click it on. If you're using BlueStacks Android emulator for the first time, then you'll need to go ahead and log into your Google account by entering the credentials to open up the Play Store option. Once you open it up, go to the search box at the top and type in TikTok and make your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the screen. Click on the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. Wait for the application to be downloaded first. Once the installation is completed, tap on the open button to launch it open. And there you have downloaded TikTok application for your PC. But remember that whenever you are trying to log into your TikTok account, you'll need to open up this BlueStacks Android emulator and choose the TikTok application from the app drawer and you'll be good to go. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.